Hi, Matt Parker back with another Maryland Sea Grant Shuck at Home oyster tip. So today we're going to talk about grilling oysters. So we have our grill here, super hot, 600, 700 degrees. The easiest way is just to take your raw oysters, just pop them on the grill, and let them sit there until they start to open up. Now, I like mine with a little bit more flavor when we grill them. So I pre-shucked a bunch of oysters here, and we're going to put those here on the grill carefully. Ooh, that's hot. I already hear them sizzling. The recipe I downloaded was from Dragos, I believe in New Orleans. So we have some butter here with garlic and pepper and a little bit of oregano, and it said to put a big spoonful on and just let them cook until they start to puff up. It says about 5 minutes. Oh, and they're flaming up. Char grilled oysters. Said to put enough on there so that it'll run out, start to flame up. Probably start in the back so you don't burn your hand. Just let them go. And we got one that's got a little bit of flavor. I'm going to move a couple of these around. Get them more over the heat. And watch for them to start to puff up. Whoa! Be careful, you might want to stand back. Sometimes they puff up a little more excitedly than other times. If I remember right, this looks just like the window down at Dragos where you can see them cooking. So it looks like they're starting to be about ready. So we're going to carefully take a little Parmesan cheese, put on the top of each one. And I'm going to turn my heat off and shut the grill for just a minute so you can get that cheese nice and melty. Those look just like New Orleans. So we're going to start pulling them off. They're going to be really hot. So use some tongs or maybe a spatula. Get the last minute flames going. If you have a grilling rack, that would be very handy. These guys are just kind of starting to open. I'm going to leave them on a little bit longer. Those are the ones we didn't shuck first. Listen to them start to sizzle, and then you'll be able to open them pretty easy. So thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more videos.